Every birth takes a price. The nation fought independence war paying heavy price. It lost millions of lives, suffered huge loss. Valiant fighters finally owned freedom. Bangladesh emerged as a free nation, but with destructed infrastructure and economy. It was a huge task to feed the people and to rebuild the country. The nation started rebuilding its infrastructure. It correctly underscored the need for balanced growth of agriculture and industry. Improved means of production were put in place. Shortly, the nation successfully restored its path for economic takeoff. Any transformation has some challenges. This has been proved true for corporate governance in Bangladesh too. People found the stock car market an easy tool for making money overnight. Absence of legal mechanism and strict regulatory regime resulted in stock market crash in 1996. It evoked a concern for corporate professionals. To get rid of such unprecedented situation, 13 founders decided to form an institute. With their endeavor, ICSMB came into being in 1997. Thereafter, it grew both horizontally and vertically. Its wings even widened beyond the national boundary by becoming a member of international association, holding international conference in addition to fulfilling the national commitments. The leaders of the institute, however, felt the necessity of bringing ICSMB under an umbrella of an act passed by the parliament to transform it as a national institute. With the metamorphosis, ICSMB became ICSB. The Charter Secretaries Act was passed in 2010 by the Parliament. The current president of ICSB played a pioneering role. We are grateful to all our presidents for their contribution to the Institute. Under their able leadership, ICSB has been able to hold AGMs, convocations, national and international conventions regularly. Furthermore, as part of responsibility, ICSB felt the necessity to encourage corporate governance in listed companies. To give boost to the capital market, ICSB organized in 2014 its first national award for corporate governance excellence. The awardees got inspired to excel governing excellence standards. Participants got excited to do better in future. This will go a long way for the country to achieve SDG.
The
Bangladesh economy is going first and earned global recognition. Keeping tune with this, ICSB is maintaining a steady growth. ICSB has been closely working with Bangladesh Securities and Exchange Commission, Bangladesh Institute of Capital Market, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Law and Parliamentary Affairs, Register of Joint Stock Companies and Firms, stock exchanges, Bangladesh Bank, etc., with the aim to promote corporate governance excellence. ICSB has commitments to the corporate Bangladesh that it will continue its endeavor to help promote further governing excellence in the years to come. We all cherish a dream for tomorrow. ICSB has also a dream. We would like to have our own campus equipped with state-of-the-art classrooms, exam halls, conference and seminar halls, library, etc. to cater to the need of corporate Bangladesh. We also want to attain coherence of corporate professionals world over. To that end in view, ICSB has become member of CSIA, an international association of corporate secretaries. We are working with them. At the same time, we know the price has to be paid for it. We, the members of ICSB, are ready to dedicate ourselves for the noble cause. But it is impossible for us to do the job alone. We humbly request our honorable chief guest to kindly join hands with us soon to make our dream true. And with this, we come to an end of our visual presentation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.